Man, it's so bright. Welcome to the vlog. It is bright out here. Hang on a sec. It's too bright to record an intro. I need them. There we go. Much better. Welcome to the vlog. Corey Robin here. I haven't flown my airplane very much at all the last couple of months. Got back from Oshkosh and just got super busy at work at my software company. Ghost needs to get his legs stretched and I haven't stretched my legs in quite some time. I'm gonna go on a hike. So today's mission, let's go find a fun hiking spot. Let's do this. Ooh.
RedBlockTires.com!
Sponsored by Acme Aero.
Oh yeah, beautiful. More beautiful.
Perfect.
Now that everything's all rigged up, the plane is pre-flighted, the oil's checked, the fuel's checked, the control surfaces, the airframe, everything looks good. Let's go flying, I'm ready. Alrighty. Oh man, these sunglasses just slide right in. Look how narrow that is. Right there. Narrow. Don't even have to try, they just, so wonderful. Okay, here we go. Here we go, yay! All right, we're just waiting. Just waiting for this airplane to taxi off the runway. And I hear him. See him off the runway.
South Valley traffic, Black North Super Cubs taking the active runway 34 for departure.
South Valley traffic departure, 544, clear to active altitude, taxi to North Durant via Bravo, South Valley.
All right, here
Corey,
we go.
that Super Cub?
Sure is.
How's it going, man? Love the video.
Oh, thanks, brother.
All right, she still flies good. All right, found a great place to hike. I hope. So, you know, there's a little trail that just goes right up and kind of around this first little ridge line where there's a nice little trail with big trees, some cottonwoods, and just a beautiful little hike. So might as well get started. Let's go on a little hike. Nothing like flying to your trailhead. That's pretty fun. Little This little strip, I've never really taken anybody in here because it's a spot that my daughter and I found, and in the summer, the late summer into the fall, this entire field is filled literally with wild sunflowers. So we call it Sunflower, and the only person I've ever brought in here is my little girl. So it's kind of our special spot. Let's go hiking, it'll be fun. All right, so I'm gonna leave this camera going. I'm gonna disappear over the ridge. Oh, watch out for airplanes. All right, found the trail. This is awesome. Nothing like a little recharge. Oh, I hear a really high airplane somewhere out there. Nothing like a nice recharge after a, gosh, I've just been so busy at work, wrapping up a very important project for a client. And it's just nice to get out and about. What the heck was that? What in the... I can't even tell which direction that came from. Wow. Huh. Sounds farther away now. That's a weird sound. I don't even know what that was. Anyway, well, sun's getting a little lower. I'm gonna head back. Sorry I didn't cover very much on my little hike. Well, I apologize for not doing so many vlogs lately. Things have just been so busy with work. One thing you gotta remember when you get really busy is you gotta take time to recharge, and nothing like a nice hike and flying to recharge. And if you know what that sound was, let me know, because that was a weird sound. Maybe it was Bigfoot or something. But I'm heading back. It's all burned out. Looks like a lightning strike or something in here. Check this weirdness out. Lots of game. What kind of game footprints are those? A lot of game footprints, but anyway, it looks like a lightning strike or something here. Well, anyway, if you know what that sound was, let me know. Jump down in the comments. Well, that hike was fun. It is getting a little late. As you can see, the sun is getting low on the horizon. So before I get caught in the dark, I don't like taking off in the off airport when it's dark. So I'm gonna head on back. Super fun hike. Little weird. I don't know what that sound was. I honestly don't know what kind of an animal that was. Just kind of a weird sound. So anyway, thanks for watching. I will go ahead and show you some sweet shots from the ride home. And be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, do all the stuff and the things. I think the next evolution of mankind has to be a massive explosion, quantum leap forward in our levels of empathy and kindness. So let's work on that as we're going throughout our daily lives. Anyway, love you. Take care of yourself. Take time for you. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace. Love you guys. Oh, look, it's ghosty. La, 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 la. The camera's still up on the wing. That's a good sign. Alrighty, guys. Let's go ahead and take off real quick. So this is a pretty easy takeoff. It's a little bumpy because of all these ant hills and everything, but got a little sweaty from that hike. Fogging up the sunglasses. Took off the jacket, took off the hat. All right, here we go. Let's take off, shall we? All right. Just accelerate to rotation speed here. Yahoo! All right. So now we are on the way.